Hold up, y'all. I got coffee. Oh, this is going in here. Okay, what's up, y'all? Today I have a tutorial. And I am doing this for the awesome rapper Gemini, as I said. It was in my outro, right? It's coming in the outro. Yeah, I said in my outro as well. I just wanted to do an intro as well. Yeah, this is for him, and I hope you guys enjoy the makeup tutorial. If you have any questions or concerns about what I use as far as my foundation or any of the other products that I use, please let me know. I will probably put them in the description box below. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoy. And shout out to my artwork. I actually put his symbol on my face. It took a minute, but I did it. But yeah. And as I'm doing this intro now, my sister's staring at me, so I feel a little uncomfortable, but I'm still gonna do it. And I hope y'all enjoy this video. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Thank you. Just hurry up. I can't do this while I'm laughing.
Okay, fine.
I got my first post. Okay. I don't know how to post these things.
Just, I don't know.
Don't look at me. Don't look at me. I can't do it to you. Alright, y'all. I did this for Gemini. If y'all don't know who Gemini is, he is a awesome rapper. Homeboy knows how to hustle. He knows how to grind. His music be on point. He's just giving his talent and his artwork out to the world. And so I did this tutorial in dedication to him. I hope he liked it. This is the way I would go personally. I mean, this is the way I would go. I was originally going to go with different colors because of Gemini. And I know the color for Gemini is yellow. At least I looked it up. But homegirl wasn't trying to do no yellow, so I decided to do a different color. And also, this is not a sponsored video, but this video has mostly cosmetics from Imagic Professional Cosmetics. Imagic. What's Imakeup? Come on. Imagic Cosmetics. And so, yeah, if y'all like the products and what I saw, you can purchase them, I believe, at AliExpress. I believe so, yeah. You can just go look it up and it'll be there. Like I said, this is not sponsored at all. I went and bought this with my own coins that I had to save up. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Gemini, if you see this, I hope you liked it as well. And I just want to say, continue to do your thing, continue to hustle, continue to keep God first, and he will take you anywhere that you want to go. Huh? You can say it.
We love you.
Oh yeah, we do. I'm just playing. No, I was going to say that anyway. Gemini, we absolutely love you. From me to the Weir-Dos, as we all know, Kiki Bear, Q Bear, Baby Bear, and myself, we absolutely love you. And yeah, keep doing your thing and keep snatching wigs.
And we got your windbreakers too.
Oh yeah, we got your windbreakers coming up. I'm tired of every time I try to go purchase a windbreaker, there's none there. But I'm going to get my windbreaker and I'm going to get my hoodie. I snatched up, well, my sister, she snatched up this. She snatched up the mask. Finally got the mask. But we're going to get everything else. But yeah. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys in the next video.